Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. My name is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, today in this video, we are going to talk about TCS has postponed the interview which was supposed to happen on 31st of May 2024. And in this video, I will be also telling you what minimum you should study being from IT or non-IT background to crack digital ninja or prime interview, right? See, there are many non-IT students like EC, Triple E, civil, mechanical have got selected for digital and prime, and now they are worried what is the minimum things they should know, right? And also for the IT people like computer science and then information science. So we are going to discuss in detail. So before I start with the session, friends, I wanted to tell you, see, you guys have already put so much effort and cracked TCS and selected for Ninja Digital and Prime role. See, definitely you have something, you have some kind of talent, some kind of capability, and then only today you are selected for the interview, right? So, first of all, you should be confident on yourself, because many of the students were asking, sir, I did not do the code properly, but I'm selected for digital and prime. No, it is not like that. You have put effort, your effort has been seen by TCS, right? And that's the reason they have called you for the interview. So first, be confident on yourself, right? That is the first thing which I wanted to tell you. And friends, please put 100% of your effort in this interview. Don't take it lightly, because now there is only one step. Written is main. If you have cracked written, then interview is not a big deal to crack. And prepare seriously for the interview. I know you can do, right? So all the students who are watching, trust me, I know you can do. When I know, then you should also feel that, yes, I can do it. And one thing which I want to tell you, friends, if you cannot do it, no one else can do it, because we are really putting a lot of effort for you all, telling each and every information, telling what to do, what not to do. In this case, I'm damn sure if you will not be able to do, then no one else can do it. Okay. And friends, think that this particular job, you are going to get it for your parents, not for yourself. You think today if you get selected, tomorrow your parents will call to many of the people in the relatives, and then they will tell, my son has selected, my daughter has selected for digital, and his package is 7 lakhs per annum. Friends, trust me, this is the biggest gift anyone can give to their parents. I still remember my father, when I got selected for Infosys for 3 lakhs per annum, he was very happy. So in my village, he had distributed sweets, and like, you cannot even think of the happiness of our parents, right? So that much happy they will be. So please make them proud by just putting effort, and I know you can do it. And this is a single opportunity. TCS won't hire again. Please take it very, very seriously. You can do it. You can do it. That you have to tell 100 times that I can do it. I can do it. And if I cannot do it, no one else can do it. You guys are awesome. You guys are talented. You guys have the capability. The only thing is the right place you need to be, right? Okay. Anyway, now, so friends, next is, so definitely TCS has extended the dates, and we will be able to see, right? So as TCS has said, so from 1st of June till 15th of June, probably they are going to conduct the interviews. But in between also, we will be able to see at many days, because 4th of June, there is an election date. So we will not be having interview on that day. We will be having Sundays, right? So there are a lot of changes will be keep happening. Okay. So greetings from TCS. We regret to inform that your upcoming NQT hiring interview scheduled on 31st of May 2024 stands cancelled for tomorrow due to unforeseen circumstances. We will reschedule the interview shortly, and we will update you on this shortly and apologize for the delay, inconvenience caused. So you will be rescheduled for the interview shortly. The updated time, venue will be shared in another email. Please do check your mail regularly for the further updates, right? So campus recruiter team Hyderabad. So from Hyderabad, they have basically started the recruitment process, right? Okay, friends, many of you have a lot of queries. Sir, I have got the Google form. I have not. I have got the emails, right? So this is Google form, not girlfriend. Okay, I know where your mind will go. Okay, so please, till the interview, see, if you don't crack or if you don't get a job, then forget about this either Google Form or girlfriend, both you will not get. Okay. So now if you have got Google Form, if you have got email, the further information will be shared by TCS. You have to keep preparing, right? Because you will be come to know that, see, now 31st is the interview. This guy would have definitely come just 2 days before, because 28th the result was 28th of May, the result was announced, and he was called for the interview on 31st. So you will be getting 2 to 3 days for the interview. Now, next thing. So friends, before I go and tell you, right, so how to prepare for the interviews, right, IT, non-IT student, one questions will be definitely there in your mind, because there are a lot of places, lot of YouTube channel, they will tell you about how to prepare. But have you ever thought the person who is going to guide you is a person who himself, right, has cracked any examination, has any kind of mock interview experiences, taking mock interview experiences, or some kind of things, right? Because if we have experience, see, actually what happened in IT, right? So if you're a fresher, your package will be 3 LP. If you have 10 years of experience, your package will be 35 to 40 lakhs per annum, right? See, what is the difference? The main difference is experience, right? So when you get experience, definitely from your experience you can find it out that what exactly and how exactly somebody can crack the any kind of interview. So friends, my name is engineer Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. 12 plus years of IT industry experience, conducted 2000 plus actual interviews, ex Tata, Motorola, Nokia, ex central government employee, top Unacademy educator, Joe Stock speaker, featured in G News and Times Square, New York, and awarded as best aptitude trainer, right? So you should know who is your trainer, and if what they are telling is relevant or not, or they have just copy paste from somewhere, right? Okay. Now, so friends, as I said in the beginning, many IT and non-IT students are selected for digital and prime. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to take this as an opportunity, right? Because the interview will not be, they will not ask you some rocket science, okay, that which you cannot learn, which you cannot do, right? So 3 roles, Ninja, digital and prime. So 3 LP, I'm not taking the complete values, 7 LP and 9 LP, right? Okay, fine. So friends, think if you're getting selected for digital, at least you will be getting 50K salary. If you get selected for Ninja, around 60K salary, right? So definitely this is a very much a respected salary if you get selected in digital and prime. Now, so first of all, you don't think that you are from non-IT background and you cannot clear digital and prime. No, see, if you only do not have confidence on you, then how the interviewer, how I will have confidence on you, right? See, if I am thinking if I cannot teach, then how students will have confidence on me? See, when I don't have confidence on myself, then others will not have any confidence on me, right? Okay. So friends, it is very, very clear. First, prepare the basics, right? See, technical question, if they ask you 5 to 6 questions, if you're not able to answer 2 questions also, 2 questions, if you're not able to answer, that's okay. But other things you should be able to answer, explain properly, because if you're from non-IT background, they also know, and they will not be expecting you to answer the very deep question. Please try to understand. But it is not like if you're from non-IT, then they will not ask you coding question, they will not ask you DSA, right? Because TCS is a IT company, right? And you have done exceptionally well in the written test, and that's the reason you have been called for digital and prime interview. So self introduction, anyway, this video I am just going to tell you what exactly you have to read. In the next video I will tell you, see, so now 7 p.m. we have a session, right? So how to explain your project, puzzles questions, managerial round questions, so that we are going to discuss along with the example. And friends, trust me, 25% of students get rejected in the interview because of this project explanation. And if you're really serious about cracking the interviews, friends, see, daily 3 classes we are conducting, right? So here you can see, so TCS and only for the interview. So Pratik sir 1:30 p.m. today. So today already my class was there. And Nitin sir 6 to 7 p.m. today. Ansika ma'am 8 to 9 p.m. today. So Ansika ma'am and Nitin sir is doing technical question. I am like overall I'm covering, right? So from your puzzle based question, MR questions, how to explain your project. So all those things I am covering. Okay. 3 live classes in one day for interview we are doing. Out of 3, 2 students will be rejected in TCS interview. So you have to take this very seriously. Even we are doing for HR round, right? MR round by Isa ma'am, Ansika ma'am, Nitin. So daily daily we are providing three classes, right? So even Neha ma'am, so who works in JP Morgan, so she is also taking classes, interview classes for all of you. And the interview material, that link you can find in the description of the video. Get it today. So live classes, lot of PDF and the experience, right? So that is the main thing. So we have covered all 2024 interview experiences. All right, comprehensive materials, interview guidance, Python question, live classes, right? So I said live classes are going on. So you see, so live classes, these are the live classes. Interview live class 1, HR and MR question by Isa ma'am, technical interview by Nitin sir, technical interview by Ansika ma'am, and all the PDF, everything is getting covered. So you will be getting recorded also, and the price is very nominal, 411 rupees. Get it today. Now, so self introduction, you have to prepare very well. See, friends, the interview will be in your hand. The interview will be completely in your hand. So in self introduction, you can tell all those things which you want interviewer to ask. See, once the interviewer takes the control, then it will be difficult to crack. So in self introduction, the first question will be self introduction. So and that time the complete interview will be in your control. So prepare well for the self introduction. Project explanation. Project explanation, I am coming live at 7 p.m. So where I will be, you can see 7 p.m. I am coming live. So where I will be telling you how you will be able to explain your projects, right? Even the puzzle questions we will see. HR related question, managerial around questions about TCS. So these are the very basic, irrespective of you're from civil, mechanical, electrical, non-IT or IT, you need to prepare, okay? And you have to prepare in such a way. So MR round question also today I'm going to discuss that how you will be able to answer in the examination. Now, so friends, first I will talk about the basic question. So even if you are going for Ninja, okay, so at least read this basics. It will not take very much time. And sir, from where we can read? So that's the reason we have released the material. So if you go to content, TCS NQT comprehensive interview material, right? So where if you'll go and see, so we have covered a lot of things, right? So here this course having basic programming questions, C Java, OOPS, Python, DBMS, machine learning, SDLC concept, interview experiences, and then your civil, electrical, mechanical, operating system questions, important coding questions, right? Tips and strategies, coding questions, okay? TCS, DBMS and IDBMS questions and answer. So we have already done a lot for you guys. You don't have to worry. Now, so palindrome, they might ask you to write the logic, okay? And in some cases, they might also ask you to write the code. See, it will be one-to-one in-person interview, right? Okay, then calculate length of the string without using string length. See, whatever questions I'm telling you, these are the basic questions and already asked in the TCS interview 2024, which had happened in January and February. Okay, fine. Then LIFO, FIFO, stack queues, what is cloud computing, what is artificial intelligence, machine learning with examples, right? Then again, some basic questions. So reverse the string, swap two numbers without using any other variable. What is blockchain? What are the latest technology right now? They might ask you, so what do you know about chat GPT and all? Transistor diode. So if you're from electronics background, right? So you prepare like transistor, diode, its working principle, NOR gate, logic, register, left shift, right shift. So all these questions you can expect it. Prime number, Fibonacci series, factorial of a number, right? So for all this, they might ask you to write the program or the logic. Linked list, DBMS, operating system, and OOPS. So see, all the basics things, see in DBMS, like they might ask you what is DBMS, what is RDBMS, what is normalization, right? What is acid properties? So these are the important questions which they might ask you from this linked list, DBMS, right? So this is how you have to prepare from the basics. So basics you have to prepare. Still now you have time because TCS has still not started. Binary search, okay, big O notation, sorting algorithm and complexity, they might ask you. So different sorting algorithm, their complexity, right? Space complexity, time complexity, B tree, B plus tree, they might ask you graph, right? So see, if you are going for digital and prime, then this particular section will be very important, right? So binary search, big O notation, sorting algorithm and complexity, right? B tree, B plus tree, graphs, new technologies, right? And merge sort, bubble sort, selection sort, right? So see, all those things they can ask you, and we are covering all this in the daily live classes, right? See, if we are doing daily three live classes, then what are we doing? So we are covering all these aspects, right? Live classes are there. It's not like we are providing you PDF only that read that. No, ask Nitin sir, sir, what is this bubble sort? How you know I have to understand the logic. What is selection sort? Ask Kansika ma'am, right? Live classes, you can interact with them. It is happening over Zoom, right? So daily it is happening. It's not like one or two class, three classes, friends. Daily we are spending a lot on your interview preparation, because we know once you miss this chance, you won't get it again. Opportunity does not knock twice. Okay. And I know this, you are going to do it for your parents, and this will definitely this you will definitely not miss. So given a string and substring, check if the string substring is present or not. What is cryptocurrency? Because now it's in everywhere you will be seeing. So see all these answers, like what is cryptocurrency, what is blockchain. So a lot of things I will be only telling you. What is machine learning, artificial intelligence. So in the classes I will only discuss it with you. So Saturday, that means tomorrow, I will be discussing most of the things in the class. What is greedy algorithm, bit manipulation, coding I will not do, but except coding, whatever the things are there, that I will do. Because see, we have the experts here, and they are better in that, they're best in that. So I will do whatever on with examples, like I will explain. So how can you understand, okay, so what is blockchain, right? So whatever transactions we do, right, over a network, it definitely somewhere related to blockchain. So I will, along with one example. So today you see the class at 7 p.m. You'll understand that, sorry, live class. So then you'll understand that how do I teach, and many of you already knows that also. So that's all I wanted to tell you, friends. Start your preparation. Have confidence on yourself. If you can't do it, no one else can do it, right? So with that attitude, we have to prepare for the interview. Thank you. Take care, and all the very, very best.